In this video, I am going to tell you how you can change the aspect ratio of Filmora 10 and above. So first of all, I will show you the version of my Filmora. I will go to help. I will click on about. So you can see this version is 10 and above. So you can simply use this tab for 10 and above. So I have added one video in my timeline. So just you need to select this video, and after that you need to go to this option, preview quality and display setting. Just tap on this. There's an option of first option only, change project aspect ratio. Just tap on this. Now you can see here aspect ratio 16:9, 1:1 for Instagram, or you can use it for other platform as well. 9:16, 4:3, even 21:9 cinema aspect ratio is also there, and you can customize it as well. You can enter anything. So it is very easy. You can change it from here, and it is very beneficial. And you can just need to click on OK. After doing that, you can change it as well as per your required need. So it is very useful feature which I always use. You can create a short, or you can create short videos in this aspect ratio. So I hope friends, now you will be able to change the aspect ratio in Filmora 10 and above. And if you still face any problem, you can comment below and I will definitely give you reply. If you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.